Come on in, Paul Donovan. He's the chief economist at UBS Global Wealth Management. All right, Paul, you heard my editorial there. I think the Democrats are partly to blame for the downturn in the markets. What say you?
Well, I would say the markets went in expecting Democrat control of the House. They got what they expected. Markets like it when they get what they're expecting. We have gridlock. That means politicians can't do anything. Markets actually quite like it when politicians can't do anything. We surveyed our investors in the United States. These are wealthy Americans. A lot of them are entrepreneurs, very successful business people. They actually came out of the midterms more optimistic about the market and the economic outlook than they went into the midterms. So, no, I don't think the midterm elections are really behind this. I'm a little bit more focused on the noise we're getting around trade and the uncertainty around that. That's a better story that fits with the movements in the markets that we've been seeing.
OK, let me move on to the fourth quarter of this year. I think it's shaping up to be a blockbuster. The time between now and Christmas or early January. Wages are up, gas prices are really tumbling. I think that's a blowout fourth quarter. What say you?
I think if we get a blowout fourth quarter, it will be a blow-up, not a blowout. That would be dangerous. I'm very happy with the US economy. It's doing just fine. But it's not going to be a blowout because we had the blowout with the sugar high of the tax cuts earlier this year. That's faded away to a nice solid growth based on wages, based on employment. That's absolutely fine. But if we're going to go for a blowout, then Americans are going to have to start ramping up on credit again. And we don't want that. We don't want Americans spending money they don't have on things they don't need. Let's be happy with a nice, solid growth number and not try and reach for the stars, because if we do, it's going to go wrong in 2019.
You have to be careful, Paul, with the British accent saying, we don't want Americans spending a bunch of money. Be careful with that one, OK? Now, the nation's...
I say money they don't have.
Okay.
I'm very happy with them spending the money they've got. We just don't want them spending money they don't have.
OK, I just want to clarify that one, thank you. The nation's top banker, well, I'm calling him the top banker, Jamie Dimon, he says 2019 is going to be the best year on record for global growth. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I think it's a little unlikely. I mean, the growth numbers are never that precise. I mean, I know you guys in the media like us to be, precise to the decimal point. That's a bit of an illusion. Growth numbers are never that accurate. I think 2019 is going to be an OK year. The US is slowing down a bit as the tax cuts fade. Europe's recovery is now largely complete, so it's sort of stabilising at around its trend rate of growth. Latin America should pick up a bit. Asia will slow down a bit. I think overall you end up with a decent growth rate in 2019. I would actually think it's going to be a little bit lower than this year, but it's marginal stuff.
So add it all up and look at the market right now. We're down 360 at 24,600 on the Dow. We follow the Dow on this programme. Is this pretty close to the bottom? Do we bounce up from here? What do you think?
Well, economically, and of course, I'm speaking as an economist, the world's doing just fine. Economically, the fundamentals are good. It'll support decent earnings growth from companies. But what we do have is this uncertainty about trade. And what you've got to remember is global trade, raising taxes on trade. Let's call it what it is. A tariff is just a tax. Raising taxes on trade is something which hurts equities far, far more than it hurts the economy. Because about 80% of global trade is done by the large listed companies that are having problems with the stock price today. So if we can clarify some of this uncertainty about trade taxes, reduce the threat of more taxation coming in to the global trading system, then yes, I think we are close to the bottom in the market and you would see recovery coming through pretty quickly.
Yeah, I think a trade deal would produce a very nice bounce for the market. Paul, thanks for joining us this morning. We do appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.